Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert LibreOffice Impress presentations to PowerPoint. Now, this is very simple. What you're going to do is click the file right here, save as, and what you're going to do is change the ODF presentation to Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is the latest version right here. I'm going to click this one. Click the save button right here and then use PowerPoint 2007 365 format. So once you do that, you can then go ahead and locate this. So let's go ahead and open the file. All right, there you go. So there's the file. Now, as you can see, this is in PPTX. Let's go ahead and right click this one and open this one with PowerPoint. And there you go. So now you can see everything. So you have the title. You can see here the first slide as well as the video that we have added. Seems like there is a need to upgrade this one since this is a video. So let's go ahead and tap yes. And there you go. We're now able to play it. And yeah, once we're done with that, we can head over to the next one and still the same thing. This one though seems like we need to add a shape here again. So there are some things that's not going to work depending on how you've done it in LibreOffice Impress. But basically, most of the things should function just well, especially if mostly are just images and texts. Again, everybody, that's how you're going to convert LibreOffice Impress presentations to PowerPoint.